Here's a look at a great other in our collection. A pre-owned 2023 Ford Transit 250 cargo van. This Ford is powered by rear-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 26,152 miles. Discover reliable versatility with the 2023 Ford Transit 250 cargo van. Ideal for all your business needs, it offers ample space, efficiency, and advanced features. Don't miss out on this excellent opportunity. Transform your workday with a trusted companion today. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.